Incorrect niche selection in affiliate marketing. It is true that the majority of people in affiliate marketing are not very successful. A large number of the affiliates change their field of affiliate marketing without earning even a single penny of commission. And if someone is lucky enough to earn some money, he cannot carry on affiliate marketing as his full-time job because the amount of money he earns is so small that he cannot do it full-time. Hence, the end result is the waste of time, money, and energy. I would advise affiliates to find the correct reasons of their failure in affiliate marketing. This way they may be able to enjoy the full benefits of the affiliate marketing by avoiding their past mistakes. Correct niche selection in affiliate marketing. A lot of new affiliates choose the niche markets where there is a very little chance of earning. If affiliates want to increase their income, they should enter into a niche market which must have the following properties: avoid free markets. Select the market where the buyers are really serious to purchase the products. And buyers can spend good amounts of money if they can get what they are looking for. You should not enter into the markets which have no money or where people are willing to get everything without spending a single penny, or at very cheap rates. Select the range of high-demanding products. In order to get the most out of affiliate marketing, always select the niche market which offers a range of high-demand products. Select the products that are really selling. Offer the range of hot products that are making sales. It does not mean you should always offer the different types of products and should not concentrate on some specific type. But this is to test what are the best-selling products. After a few months you should remove the products that have not been selling and find another top-selling hot product. Select the merchants who are good product promoters. Always choose a market where merchants are skilled product promoters and they know the market trends. Such merchants will always launch the products that are the need of the people. Also, they know how to market their products and convince the people to become their lifelong consumers. With such skilled merchants, you will need to give less effort to make sales. On the other hand, if you are affiliated with the merchants that don't have the above qualities, then chances are you will struggle to make sales. The selection of the correct niche market is the key of success in affiliate marketing. Always choose the market that has the high-demand products and that are not low-priced. Try to avoid the free markets where users are offered the free trial products. In these cases, people usually don't come back to purchase the real product. You should offer a range of hot products with different price ranges. This way you can test the interest and aptitude of your visitors. After every 2 or 3 months, remove the products that are not making the sales and add new hot products. The last point is to select the high-skilled merchants who know how to market their products. This will help you to make more sales. Otherwise, you will be required to do the hard work yourself to promote such products. This will waste your energies.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.